Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Facebook account on your iPhone, first open up the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. And now to proceed from over here, in order to delete your Facebook account, you can see the three-lined icon or the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on there first, and after tapping on that, this kind of menu will appear, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Either you can tap on there or you can just scroll down until you can spot the settings and privacy option available over here. Tap on settings and privacy, and over here guys, there is the settings option available for us. Simply tap on that settings and you'll be directed over here, and you can see a bunch of options available for us in order to customize our Facebook account. And at the top of the screen you can see the account center by Meta. Tap on that, and over here guys, this is the Meta account center where all of your accounts linked to the Meta, like your Facebook, Instagram, and your Oculus and etc. are linked. And now in order to delete your account from over here, scroll down a little bit and you can see there is the personal details option available for us. Tap on that personal details, and after that this kind of tab will show you your personal details, and over here you can see the account ownership and control. Tap on that, and over here guys, there is the memorialization and the deactivation or deletion option available for us. Now in order to delete the Facebook account, we'll be required to tap on that deactivation or delete. So let's tap on it, and now choose your Facebook account over here. And over here guys, you can see there is the toggle icon present on the deactivate account and your delete account. So in order to proceed through the deletion of the account, simply tap on the delete account button over here like this, and after that tap on the continue button. And over here guys, you can see I have created 2 pages from my Facebook account. So if you have any pages pending on your side, you can manage those pages, or if you just want to delete your pages as well, simply tap on continue. And over here guys, you can choose the reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. I'll be just going with I no longer find Facebook useful, and tap on continue. And again you can see some of the warnings or some of the informations by Facebook itself, and you can read all of those, or simply tap on continue. And over here guys, before you delete your account, you can just deactivate it or save posts in your archive, download your Facebook information, transfer a copy of your information, as well as review apps to log into with your Facebook account. And you can manage all of these things before you delete your account. But if you have done that, tap on continue. And after that guys, over here you'll be required to enter your password. Let's enter the password with which we had created an account on the Facebook. Now in order to delete our account after entering your password, simply tap on the continue button available over here, and your Facebook account will be deleted on your iPhone. And guys, this is how to delete your Facebook account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.